Hello traders, welcome to another video from our LTR group. So today we are going to talk about how Nifty and Bank Nifty would be behaving, and one of the most important stocks, ZEEL, because it's been in every trader's mind since morning. So we are going to see whether ZEEL is going to go up or down, whether Bank Nifty is going to go up or down, or whether Nifty is going to go up or down. We'll get all the information over here in some time. So let us quickly go ahead and start with Nifty first. So Nifty had a very powerful buying at the first 30 minutes of the day, and with this powerful buying over here as well, with the live trading forum, we were on the positive bias, but then it once again started correcting itself over here at the bottom after taking a resistance at 17,437. So what is going to be the plan for today? When are we going to go ahead and trade in Nifty, and what are the levels? Let's look them out right now. So first, to start with, Nifty at this moment, if you go ahead and take it on a 15-minute time frame at this moment, all right, and just shift it to a line chart. All right, so if you would see, it has been doing these downtrend moves for quite a while. Okay, so just look at this. It has been doing this downtrend move for quite a while, and this time as well it has done that. So obviously there will be a reversal that it is actually going to go ahead and do. Why? Is because if you see that it is still on an upside, whether or not if you even consider this, but the slope is not horizontal, but there is still a way that it is projecting itself, like how it's taking off from a runway. So over here, until and unless that this particular closure, okay, or a break of this trend line from the bottom, or the break on this from the upside, it won't be trending, but it will actually be volatile in this path. So from here, and here, it will be volatile. And the most important thing that you would also need to keep in mind is that this, if it gets squeezed more and more, okay, it is going to go ahead and squeeze itself even better, and the breakout or breakdown would be very, very fast. So my levels for Nifty tomorrow is that if it is going to break 17,435, then it is going to go on the upside, and on the downside, until and unless it is below 17,331, I'm not going to be interested over here. So please keep that in mind, and these would be the important levels for here. Now the second thing is, over here in Bank Nifty, I had already drew this on my Super Trader class this weekend, that this is a supply zone and this is a demand zone. So until and unless Bank Nifty is inside this zone, I will not trade it. I would also recommend you to trade it after this particular level has been broken. Until 36,200 at the bottom or 36,800 on the top, don't even be interested in Bank Nifty, because it is going to stay volatile. Now, let's come to the most entertaining stock for today. That was Zee Entertainment. It hit a circuit of 4.45%, and then it made a red candle at the end. So what is the way going forward for this? Now I'm going to tell you about this via an order flow, and also give you a bit of an idea about this. Now remember guys, until and unless, if you have an overnight position, if it is trading above 261, then the next stop that it is going to have over here is somewhere around the round number of 302. So pray and close or cross your fingers and wait for it, that if this is going to take out itself on the high, this is the range that it is going to fly. All right, so this is something that I want you to keep in mind. So another 50%, 15% is something that you can expect. So now, looking at this, what is the order flow saying? The order flow is saying that there was an enormous buying that happened after 245. The last minute candle, whatever the orders were here, on a net, it was a 1.1 million quantity in sell. So that means there are still buyers who have the power to consume this. And if you take the entire day's candle put together, so there is a total of somewhere around 42 million quantities that have been bought over here in ZEEL. So if these guys have bought this over here at this particular point of time, they are not bought it so that they can pull it down. So remember, whoever is having an idea of buying a put and making your money disappear, this is the best place to do it. But however, what is going to happen with ZEEL tomorrow, it would only be known on a gap up or a gap down opening. So look at the stock very carefully. But if it starts trading at 261, then on a positional basis, you can expect a 300 very very easily on this stock. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Love you all. We'll see you on the next analysis video tomorrow. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye.